VTOL-SIM is a professional VTOL fixed-wing drone simulation training system designed for education and pilot training. Powered by high-precision modeling and advanced flight control simulation technology, VTOL-SIM provides comprehensive training solutions for VTOL fixed-wing UAV operations, from basic flight skills to industry-specific mission scenarios. Designed for civil drone pilot license training and aligned with industry teaching standards, the system includes hover training, horizontal figure-8 maneuvers, Pentagon route training, low-altitude quarter flight training. During training, pilots can monitor real-time flight altitude, speed, attitude, and flight trajectory for a more immersive learning experience. VTOL-SIM features multiple realistic environments including coastal and forest scenarios, allowing pilots to practice manual VTOL fixed-wing flight control in diverse conditions. The simulator also supports adjustable wind direction and wind speed, lighting customization, random environmental settings. VTOL-SIM supports mission planning through the ground control open-source ground station software. Real-time 3D map data is transmitted directly to QGC, enabling waypoint planning, autonomous route flight, altitude adjustment, and other mission operations for VTOL fixed-wing UAVs. To meet the needs of professional UAV operations, VTOL-SIM introduces specialized training modules including LiDAR point cloud mapping training, anti-poaching patrol missions. Future expansion modules will include geological exploration, power line inspection, forestry inspection, large-scale complex terrain mission simulations,